Well, it has been a while. Hey, Sugar Dumpling. I'm doing probably, well, it's been a while. It's mid-September. It's Saturday. And Jaja has been neglected. I haven't been in the yard much, but I've had my last round, so I'm going to try to catch up on a few things. I completely let everything. I didn't do anything this year hardly at all. I just couldn't. I couldn't get in the sun this year. I was restricted. But I started a few things, and I'm just going to assess my garden. I'm hiring some folks to come help me clean it up. And then next year, I'll be jamming. But anyway, here's my sweet potatoes, those Okinawan or the purple ones. So they were a good idea. That's a great ground cover. Love it. And look what I've got over here. This is a big mess. You know, now that I'm out, maybe I will play in the garden more. Jaja would not go outside. Ouch. Hey, Sugar Dumpling, come on. She kept going to the door like she wanted to go outside, and she just wouldn't go outside. So I need to start coming outside with her again. Poor thing. Look at this mess. I don't know what in the world. This is my white mulberry, and look at you. What happened? Oh, I know. I put too much water in there. That's probably what's going on. Is that what's going on? This area does hold water. It is not happy. I'm gonna put a little more dirt around that. Then I've got to save my persimmon in the front yard. Okay, now here is my food forest. And since I didn't know where to buy trees locally, and I bought some on a whim, and I didn't buy all the right trees, and I've slaughtered some, and I didn't plant some right. So I'm gonna have to redo my food forest, and I've already mourned that truth. I might be able to salvage a couple, but I think I'm gonna go with a less is more, and maybe get a couple of apple trees and let it be it. Just maybe some bigger ones, since I do eat a lot of apples. Look at that. And then, didn't water anything hardly this year, so things are just going wild. Here is my Y-A-C-O-N, Yacon, the Peruvian apple. And they're only about 4 feet. They haven't flowered yet, but it looks like I might be getting a flower in there. Look. I haven't consistently watered them, you poor things, but hopefully, hopefully I've got some good tubers down in there. What's that? I can't hardly see. Looks like one's sticking out of the ground, but anyway, hopefully, oh, wait, I think one's sticking out of the ground. Oh my goodness. Okay, these leaves are kind of hairy. Let me come down in here anyway. They're a little itchy, hairy and itchy. Oh, there's one! Oh my gosh, that's a Peruvian apple. Is that a Peruvian? Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it right now. But you gotta wait, I think. Oh, I need to cover it up. I'm excited. Oh, let me look at it again. Oh my gosh, it's a Peruvian apple. You can see I didn't eat all my squash. I had an abundance of squash. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, and look, you do not like that black pergola. It's too hot for you. So now you're over here climbing up my house or my garage. I wish you wouldn't do that, but I'm gonna let you do it. And then, really, that's the main things. Oh, and then this stuff, and I've got some somewhere else too. This stuff. This is the I should be eating longevity spinach. I have an abundance of this. I need to be eating it. This is free food. That is not bad. That is not bad at all. Okay. I need to bring that inside. I need to cut off a few pieces and save that. Okay, that's good. And then I'll leave the rest and see if it can survive. Maybe I'll cover it up. Maybe it will survive in the next year. Where's my girl? Okay, I'm coming out to do some work. Hey, Pumpkin, I'm gonna drive you crazy. I gotta go back and get my gloves. I do. Poor thing. You got neglected this year. I'm gonna come out in the garden more, I promise. I promise. Okay, but I mean, it doesn't look terrible for a garden that has been completely neglected with almost zero weed pulling or anything this year. A couple of days I felt like it, but overall did not happen this year. And boy, is there a lot to do. So let me do a few things right now. Let me just do a few things. Ta-ta.